All right, if you're looking for a B-body, guys, this the one. 1996 Chevy Impala. She got a set of 22-inch wheels. She's on air ride. She got an Alpine head unit with a Scar audio system. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. She got a couple of imperfections and blemishes, but overall, she's ready to go. Y'all can see the paint does got a little flip. As y'all can see, the paint is in excellent condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. As y'all can see, she very solid. Deck lid is in excellent shape. She still got the factory RPO code sticker. I'll pause it for you guys to check it out. As y'all can see, the air ride tank, Scar audio system. She's ready to go, guys. Interior's in great shape. She's got power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console and floor shifter, the control for the air ride. Upper dash. Headliner good. Back seats are in excellent condition. Package tray nice and clean. She has the 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter LT1, power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Fire right up. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Don't miss out, guys. She's beautiful. Y'all have a good one.